Hello, it's me, Ruby Elaine, but you can call me Ellie. Chink! Ako talaga na hindi mag-skincare ng maayos for about 2 to 3 weeks para itry itong ating new clinical solution boosters. This one is the C+ Resveratrol line reducer, and this one is the HA Ceramide Hydrator. Very new to the market, very new to America, Philippines, but we are all excited to try this one. When you are using the retinol, after cleansing, you should wait for about 5 minutes kasi every time that we cleanse, nasistrip yung oil ng face natin. So, when we apply the retinol, kumbaga medyo may oiliness na siya, naka-recover na siya from the stripping of the oil, then you will apply the retinol. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so we're going to proceed with applying the clinical solution set. This one, the tube one, is the retinol 0.5%, and this is the facial Calm and Restore Facial Milk. Now, if you're new to the retinization process, in Mary Kay, we recommend you to mix this two muna. I'm not new to the retinization process. I've been through this nung kalalabas pa na ng clinical solutions, and right now, we're going to get back on applying this to our skin. With my skincare routine, I will first apply the retinol. So, just one pump. One pump lang ang kailangan natin sa ating face. Now, with this one, with our two clinical solutions boosters. First, with the HA Plus Ceramide Hydrator. It boosts hydration with dual action hyaluronic acid. This expertly formulated booster replenishes 3 critical hydration factors in one simple step. Supports skin barrier with this unique boost of highly targeted moisturizing ingredients that deliver advanced aid to dry skin. Of course, this one is dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, and tested for skin irritancy and allergies. Now, for the key ingredients, sa mga OC dyan, kung ano ingredients ng ating Clinical Solutions Booster, HA Ceramide, HA plus Ceramide Hydrator, hyaluronic acid, of course, or sodium hyaluronate. Hyaluronic acid is known to bind more than 1,000 times its weight in water, meaning it holds onto water molecules to keep skin looking plump and healthy. So, pang-hydration talaga to. Of course, it has ceramide, which is a critical component of the stratum corneum. Ceramide is essential for the retention of skin moisture. This one is also a skin-mimicking ceramide, which helps improve skin hydration and support normal barrier function. It also has Verbena officinalis extract, impacts natural moisturizing factor, or NMF. NMF is not only known to improve skin hydration, but also skin barrier function, a necessity when it comes to protecting your body from environmental stressors and water loss. NMF components absorb water from the atmosphere and combine with their own water content, allowing the outermost layer of the stratum corneum to stay hydrated despite external factors. So ito talaga for dry skin to siya. Of course, ask your beauty consultant about the full skincare routine kasi hindi naman po pwede na serum lang ang ginagamit nyo. We have the 5-step routine, diba? 5 essential steps for glowing, youthful, healthy skin. So, kailangan lahat yon napopossess ng ating skincare routine. Hindi lang dapat serum, hindi lang dapat moisturizer, cleanser, dapat kompleto po tayo. Okay? So, this one, face and neck, pero avoiding the eye areas pa rin daw. So, cleanser, toner, and then this one. Follow up with your serum, moisturizer, and SPF if applying in the morning. Actually, it's in the afternoon right now, but I'm in the mood for skincare. So, mag-SPF pa rin tayo because it's the afternoon, right? So, we still need the SPF. Now, we're going to apply this one. siya and kakalabas lang ito sa market, guys. This HA Plus Ceramide Hydrator has earned the Cosmopolitan Magazine's 2022 Holy Grail Beauty Award. Ang galing-galing ng Mary Kay talaga. Now, for the C Plus Resveratrol Line Reducer, take wrinkle reduction to the next level with our highest concentrations of vitamin C and resveratrol. Each precious drop contains vitamin C, resveratrol, and acetyl hexapeptide 8. Powerful active ingredients that address the look of wrinkles, of lines and wrinkles, give skin the support it needs by targeting critical components of skin aging with this dermocosmetic solution. Take wrinkle reduction to the next level with the renowned ingredients in this highly potent booster. Nako, social pala to. Of course, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, and tested for skin irritancy and allergy. This one has vitamin C, ascorbic acid, a heroic antioxidant widely recognized for its ability to fight the visible signs of aging. It supports skin natural production of collagen and elastin proteins to help improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It also has resveratrol, similar to vitamin C. Resveratrol is highly potent antioxidant valued not only for its ability to fight visible signs of skin aging, but also to protect the skin surface. It also has acetyl hexapeptide 8. Skin restoring acetyl hexapeptide 8 is a special peptide designed to help reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Smooth the product over your face and neck, avoiding the eye area again. Do this morning and evening after both cleansing and toning your skin. Follow up with your serum and moisturizer. Right, so 6 to 8 drops din. Ito ang karamihan na notion natin sa anti-aging. Pag sinabi na kailangan mo na ng anti-aging, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, matanda ka na tingnan. But it's a no-no. Let me tell you na hindi siya ganon. Okay? Kasi me, I've been using anti-aging products since I was 21. Since my problem back then was pimples, nag-jump ako from anti-acne solutions to more complex, more complete one, which is the Timewise set. 5 years ko na palang ginagamit. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Because the moment you jump to 20 years old, your skin starts to lose collagen. And when your skin lose collagen, dyan na tayo pumapasok sa mga signs of aging. Yes, i-apply ko to kahit 26 pa lang ako. Kasi ako tayong mangulubot, of course. So, para maiwasan at para ma-address na ngayon, mag-apply na tayo ng line reducer. Okay. Also, if you are applying multiple serums, be sure to rest between your serums kahit 1 minute lang para to give way for absorption lang. Ganda! Now we're going to apply this one. This one naman is our facial milk. If you're new to the clinical solutions or the retinization process, this is very much needed. Naka-purpose niya is just to soothe your skin and provide kumbaga comfort. Lalo na if you are in the retinization process or your skin needs more comfort, then you can use this one any time of the day. One pump, pwede na yan. Oops. Going to apply our day cream. The day cream I'm using is still the day cream I used 5 years ago. Very loyal ako dito sa day cream na to. Actually, sa set na to. So this is just the mini. Kasi di pa ako nagbubukas. And ito, very convenient kasi yung mini sa akin dahil nadadala ko kahit saan. Moisturizer na siya and at the same time meron siyang SPF. Actually, first time ko pala magamit yung ating Clinical Solutions Booster. So, next week, I'm going to return for another video showing you the results. If ginamit nyo yung Clinical Solutions Booster religiously, everyday talaga recommended, kung ano yung magbabago sa skin ko. So, I did this for you to be able to see as well kung ano yung difference if you have the proper skincare routine and the products really targeting your skin concerns, really addressing what your skin needs and providing whatever your skin should be receiving. What I used for my skin might not be the recommended skincare routine for your skin, you should really ask your beauty consultant for recommendation for the skincare routine suitable for your skin concerns and skin type using our new and improved Skin Analyzer app. Makikita nyo na dyan lahat. And you can ask your beauty consultant how you can start or improve your skincare routine para maiwasan yung aging, diba? Takot tayo doon, my God. Okay, before ako magpaalam, sige, gawin na natin yung skin analysis natin. In 3, 2, 1. Take a selfie, fill out your details, and then the skin analysis app will scan your face na. So this is my before and after. 1 week lang akong hindi nag-apply ng skincare, guys, and I'm down to 74 points, my God. And then just one wash of applying my full skincare routine, I'm up again to 80 points. Look at the difference. Kung meron kang proper skincare routine at na-address ang mga skin concerns mo, grabe yung points, guys. Actually, mababa pa yung 80 points, but I'm happy with that. Kasi with one wash, diba? 6 points agad yung difference. Scans 8 dimensions on your face. This is the full face test. 8 yan siya na ini-scan niya on your face. And we have the new feature aging analysis test. You'll see how your skin will look like after 5 years or 10 years. Nagbago yung ating skin score sa skin analysis from 74 to 80 points in just one wash, in just one application of all the skincare products that are suitable for my skin type. Kumbaga, recommended for my skin type. Paano pa kung ginamit ko siya every day and I religiously apply the products? So that is the importance of having a proper skincare routine backed up with a brand, with the products, with quality, innovative solutions. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and see you soon again, lovelies.